Well, good evening and welcome back to the channel. I just got myself a new toy. So let's see what all comes in a box for the Panasonic Lumix S1R Mark II. The box is a different look than Lumix cameras have been. Most Lumix boxes are black with some red trim. Opening it up, got some flaps. Of course, we've got some paperwork, the normal paperwork, little start guide, all that stuff. And then inside we've got everything that you would expect. Got the standard Lumix camera strap here. That probably won't ever get used, probably will stay just like this in the little ribbon. Charger. The S1R2 uses a different battery than the S1R. Obviously, it's got a different body. Uses the same battery that the S5, S5 II, S5 IIX, that line of camera uses. So comes with one of those. That obviously is the camera itself. But let's see, before we do that, let's see if there's anything else inside this box. And there's not. It's just the packaging itself. So let's set that box aside. And there it is, all wrapped up nice and pretty. So take it out. And there it is, the S1R Mark II. It is significantly smaller than the S1R. It's about 20% lighter in weight and about 20% lighter in size. There's some other significant differences to the camera between the S1R and the S1R2, and I'll probably go over those in future videos. I'm just about to head out to the South Island for a trip where this will have its inaugural use. Some changes: the dials at the top, they've got locking buttons, so if they're up like this, then you can use the dial. If it's clicked down, then it's locked in place, and the same thing with your photo style. If it's up like that, then good to go, but if it's locked down in place like that, not usable, which is kind of nice. This dial in the back is significantly recessed compared to the S1R. The front dial feels about as good. Button trigger feels about as good. Joystick, back button focus, yeah, play. One of the major changes here for the S1R is the screen for between the S1R and the S1R2, and that you can close it off, but you can also bring this out and tilt it out, tilt it down, tilt it up, bring it out. Yeah, so compared to the S1R screen was just this, and then little button here, and you could do this. So, yep. I do have an anti-glare screen protector on the S1R. I will be making myself a screen protector for this one as well. Anti-glare. I like the anti-glare just because it's anti-glare. Do have the white balance ISO and exposure compensation here. The video record button, there's one here, but there's also one on the front. Lens button for changing out the lens. Remote trigger goes on this side, and then we have 4 doors on this side. mic, headphone, USB, HDMI, all in their own doors. Significantly different from the S1R, which only had 2 doors. On this side, we've got our card slots. We've got SD card, and we've got a CF Express slot. In the S1R, just for size comparison, the slots can be in line, whereas with the S1R2, this is the size difference. Yeah, obviously you can't do that. But very light, very small, relatively speaking, for a 44.3 megapixel full frame camera. I'm very much looking forward to taking this out in the field and using it. Let's get the battery out, put that in. I very much doubt the battery is charged. Turn it on. No power in the battery, but that's standard for shipping. EVF, significantly larger than the EVF in the S1R. Yep. Beautiful little camera. Like I said, very much looking forward to taking this out. Yep, coming up here in the next little while, there's going to be several videos from the South Island, and I will be using this camera significantly, quite a bit, but I will also take the S1R with me, and we'll do some comparison stuff and see how much better the S1R2 is compared to the S1R. I've used the S1R now for about 4 years. Very happy with it. It does very good work. But let's take a look at the S1R2 and let's see how that one does. I hope you join me, and I'm looking forward to taking this camera out into the field and comparing it to this beast. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.